Hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see, my bike, this is a mountain bike, has a flat tire. I don't know if it's the tire flat or the tube, something wrong with it. I tried to pump it up, but just not it's not holding air. So I might have to remove the tire to take a look at it. But either is it the tube, the inner tube right here, or the tire that's causing the problem here? Which one is one? So you need to, so it's simple right here. All you need to do is remove it, and it's this one 5/8 wrench. So just unscrew this part right here. See, okay, loosen up this one too. Now we can take off the now just remove the wheel here, the rim. So simple enough. I'm gonna take the tire off from the rim and try to examine it if there's any cut. So I'm gonna examine the tire if there's any cut at all. I don't see it. So it's probably not the tire, probably just the tube. Okay, let me look inside. Try to look inside. You can see any cut inside right here. Yeah, I don't see any cut at all. I don't see any hole in the tire, so the tire's good. So the tire's good. It's still good. So probably just the tube. So here's the tube. I'm gonna just pump it up. Let's see. All right. This is the best way to find leaks right here. So pump up the tube and then put some water and then soap, this any soap, dish soap, water and dish soap, and just kind of go through it. If there's a hole, there should be a bubble. See, you can see here, there's definitely a hole in the tube. See how the air coming out? See how it bubble up? So you know the tube is no good. So just replace the tube, I guess. Yeah, you can hear it now. See, there's a little hole right here. If I squeeze it, so the tube is the problem. To find the right tube on the side of the tire, they should tell you in what information right here, what kind of tube you need. Okay, right here on the side of the tire right here, this is the number right here. So this is a 20, so you need a 26. This is a 26 by 1.95 20. So the tire side right here, 53-559, 26 by 1.95 inches. So the tube that you want is to buy is a 26 inches tube. Just go to Walmart or order from Amazon right here. So I got a tube right here, a 26 inches tube. So now we're gonna replace the tube. It's so easy. So we know the tire is still good, but the tube is the one that is leaking. So it's pretty cheap. The tube is only like $5 from Walmart. So all right, the new tube right here. So the next thing you need to do is just pump it up a little bit. Put the air in the new tube a little bit. So I got my pump right here. Just pump it up. Not too much. Just put a little bit of air in there. All right. All right. That should be enough. You don't want to go too much. All right. All right, the next thing I need to do is just put the tube inside the tire. All right. Just okay. Now insert the stem right here, the where you put the air in. That's the valve right here. There's a hole inside the rim right here. So insert that in and then put the rim in there. Now try to put the tire inside the rim, the wheel. If you can't use your finger right here, just okay. Now everything pop in right there. If you can't do it, just you might need to use a flathead screwdriver to help you. Okay, now everything is in. Now all you need to do is just put it back. This side right here where the chain go around the so this side go to the left, and then just put the chain on. All right, put everything back in now and spin the tire. It's good. Okay, so just pump the tire to desired right here 50. So it's on the side of the tire say that pump it to around maximum is 50 psi. So I do around 45. So it's pretty. Let's there it goes. It's all good. Yep, everything's good. So next time when you have a flat tire, it's easy to change right here. This one I had the flat tire, and the back is the front is easy to do because there's nothing else connected to the front. Just take the back is a little harder because it got this right here, a little teeth right here to catch the chain. So a little harder to do, but it's still the same concept. Just take it off, and the first thing they do, check your tire. If there's any puncture holes, anything in the tire. If there's not, there's got to be the tube. So take out the tube and then just pump it up with the bicycle pump right here, and just use you know, water. Put water in a bowl and put a little soap in there, and then submerge the tube in there. If there's any hole, it would bubble up like I show you. Oh, so I hope you learned something here. So this is how to change a bicycle inner tube when you have like a a little puncture or something in the little tube. So if you like this kind of video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. All right, that should be enough. You don't want to go too much.